Okay, so got the performance Martian wheels, full forged aluminum, and this will be installed in this Tesla Model Y performance. We need 4 of these boxes in here, so we'll see if it fits. So stay tuned. It fits. So in the Tesla Model Y, plenty of space with the seat folded down, just at least partially folded down, or all the rims that is, are in most of the rear seat. About 2 of them are in the cargo, and we still have extra space here, so that means with tire should fit no problem. Model 3, you probably have to use the passenger seat in the front or the rear seat, depending on if you have it with tires or not, but it should fit the Model 3 no problem as well too. So no issue transporting this to the tire shop, and we'll get this installed and mounted. And we will be putting this TPMS tire pressure monitor, and we got this from Walker, patent in the US. It's actually engineer component from Europe, I believe. So this is top tier TPMS. Compared to what's out there today, is even better than the OEM ones, but we decided on these ones. These is longer lasting, and this uses the Bluetooth, so it works with the latest Model Y, 3, S, and X. Fairly affordable, cheaper than the actual T-Sport line generic ones, but definitely I would say of better quality. So we'll post a link where you can find this in the description as well, and you can get this as part of the tire package with your tire shop, or you can buy it on your own and provide it to them. So we'll provide that in the trunk here, and also make sure you have your wheel lock available for your tire shop.
We end up going to One Way Auto and Repair, and this shop customizes vehicle as well as does maintenance. We had one of the lock nuts to the wheel stuck, so it was over torqued, and this was the only shop that was able to remove it professionally without damaging the wheels. They also do maintenance on all kinds of vehicle, including Tesla. So they have 5-star out of 5-star both on Google and Yelp. Very nice lobby for waiting for your vehicle. They have beverages as well as donut for customer. They allow us to take a quick tour of their shop, and they have multiple lifts. There's 4+ lifts here. One is a ramp lift in case you have a specialized vehicle that needs to be worked on long term. We have the Model Y Performance with the Martian wheels, 20" by 9 with the tire mounted. And they do mount tire, balance, as well as rotate. So simple maintenance, you can take it here as well. This is the lock nuts, the wheel locks that gave us so much trouble. I do not recommend getting this wheel locks. If you do have them, remove them, toss it in the trash, and get different ones. It was over torque. I don't know whether that was due to the vehicle high torque or somebody over torqued it in the last tire shop, but we were not able to remove it at any tire shop besides this one. So they remove it with the special tools they had, and they left everything in original status, so no cutting of the bolts or the wheels. Looking around the shop, you can see this is a large shop, multiple vehicles in service at the same time. They work on Cadillacs, Porsche, Ferrari, Audis, Ford, Toyota, Chevrolet, BMW, any vehicle that has any type of motor, whether that's gas or electric. Here's a Mustang that was brought back to life. You can see the interior and exterior has been refurbished, and now it is a show car. So you can bring your vehicle in for regular maintenance, or if you want something customized, definitely give them a call. And even motorcycles. And in a brief moment, I'll show you their workroom for miscellaneous items. You can see here there's a work area, and I was curious what this was for. Then I saw some skateboard, electric skateboard, as well as mini bikes. So taking a quick look at this, there's some gasoline motorized bikes that originally I thought was converted from an e-bike, but they also service these type of equipments and machines.
All right, now
This bike's finished. This bike's finished. Right now, I'm just trying to finish this bike right now. Just putting it on the chair. These are originally gas. Just keeping them gas.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And you just
Making them faster.
making them faster.
Yeah. This one does 70. This one does 65, and this one does 55. So,
Very nice.
yeah, that's the idea right now.
Okay, so back to the Model Y, and this is what you came for. And this is the Martian wheel. So this is the actual owner, Marco. He has run the shop for decades. This is actually his newer shop, and he just opened this a few years ago. So he is actually getting his hands dirty. So unlike other owners, he does come out to the shop to help out the guys where it's needed. And he's been doing this for years and years and years. So he knows what he's doing. And right now he's just mounting the wheels with the tires on. And these wheels are a lot lighter than the actual OEM turbine wheels, the induction or the Ubai turbine wheels. And Martian Wheels designed these wheels in satin black, satin gunmetal, and satin bronze. This is the satin gunmetal. Just taking a quick look at the suspension and the battery, everything looks to be in good order. You might think these wheels are staggered, but they actually are a square setup. So we did that so we can rotate the actual wheels in the future without having to change out 4 tires when the rear goes out. And right now, Marco is torquing the lug nuts up to specification. So just make sure that whatever tire shops, wheel shops that you go to, that they torque it to specification and they don't over torque it. But it shouldn't cause any issue. Even if they did slightly over torque it, it is just the wheel lock that causes a lot of headache for this wheel change. So Marco is finishing up. He's putting on the last wheel here. And we will be getting some black caps for those lug nuts, the ones that are sold on the website from Amazon or even from Tesla. But we'll post a link in the description where you find them. Right now, I'm really digging these Martian wheels. Again, ultralight. It should improve your efficiency by 5% or so with the right tire, of course. And back to the shop. We will be waiting for this BMW to finish before we pull out. It should take a few minutes, but just taking a quick look at all the flags that he have hung up in the shop. It just shows that his appreciation for the service who he provides, and he wanted to ensure that everyone feels welcome. And in a brief moment, we'll actually sit down with him, speak with him, and how he came up with the shop, how long he's been doing this, and his experience. And after that, I think you will feel very confident taking your vehicle here, especially for any customization or just regular maintenance. The price is very reasonable compared to other shops, and it's hard to find a trustworthy shop or someone you can trust locally, especially someone that actually does the work and charges you for it. All right, the Model Y is down from the lift. Really digging this wheels. Looks amazing, especially on the 20 and the beefier tire. It just stands out. And take a look at the right side here. You can see it looks very prominent, especially with the 275s. And now you can actually see your red caliper. And these are real ones. This is the Performance Model Y.
I am here with Marco from One Way Auto, and he helped us install the Martian wheels. We got the wheel lock stuck on the rear left wheel that nobody could take off. And I was able to find this shop, Auto, and I'm here with the owner, and I would like to introduce him because he's basically saved us from the trouble of trying to take the wheel lock off ourselves. So Marco, would you like to introduce yourself and the company?
Yeah, my name is Marco Lopez. I'm the owner of One Way Auto. We located in 1562 West Embassy Street in Anaheim, California. We specialize in any cars, any car that has wheels on, we work on. And we started 13 years ago from 0 customers. We try to do our best, try to give the best of us. And so far so good. We earned probably 7,000 customers already. trusted customers. My business is more based on trust more than anything else. And I will invite you to come over to see, check our business, the facility. We're really professionals. We put a lot of pride in what we do. And I'll be more than happy to help you guys.
And you work specifically on any type of issue a car could have, including EVs, including gasoline vehicle. That includes suspension, tires, wheels, rotation, alignment. Anything else that you would like to mention?
We do maintenance, from the dealer, scheduled maintenance and all that. We save you a lot of money. I've been saving a lot of customers going to the dealers, hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And we probably earn all those customers because they trust us.
So for those that owns Tesla or non-Tesla, this is a one-stop shop, and Marco has been great to work with. He was very honest in his diagnosis, and he personally was able to give us a tour of his facility, and we'll show.
And if you're interested in visiting his shop or giving him a call for an estimate, I'll post all the information in the description of this video. If you're interested in these Martian wheels, they have multiple sizes for Model S, X, S, and Y. So check them out. Link also in the description with a discount code. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time.